So I'm always asked, how strong are my thighs? Well, let me show you.
Alright, I wanna live in freedom. I wanna dance with my demons. I wanna drink for no reason and celebrate every season. Yeah, call my place the kingdom.
Brooklyn midnight rain was drowning my feed when Sammy Thighs detonated the screen like a stolen transformer blowing its fuse. She didn't walk on camera, she quaked it. Graffiti walls bled neon acid down cracked brick as her chainmail fishnets sparked against wet concrete. Those eyes weren't posing, they were swinging sledgehammers. She moved with the rhythm of a D-train screaming through a tunnel, every stomp fracturing pavement, every pivot hurling gutter water like liquid shrapnel. Sammy spoke about Coney Island boardwalk shoots, where cyclone screams timed her Thunderwalk, and bodega backrooms where flickering fluorescence carved her shadow into a war monument. Her voice was diesel exhaust and rose gold, a borough battle hymn fused with unapologetic thunder. When she snapped her fingers, streetlights exploded into molten steel rain. Shadows shattered like cheap safety glass. By the final frame, I wasn't watching a model. I was feeling bedrock crack. Sammy Thighs didn't drop a video. She faux.
I knock 'em all down and out, and they be down for the count. I'm lost but I'm never.
Sammy Thighs, this one's for you. Imagine this. 3 a.m. my room lit only by the glow of a ring light and a half-eaten energy bar. I just unboxed a custom clay sculpture kit based on your fearless vibe, arms trembling from carving every curve of those iconic thighs. Rain lashed the window like the world was trying to stop me, but I kept going. Layer by layer, the sculpture rose gritty and raw, until suddenly it looked back at me, like, you did it, bro. I slapped it on a turntable, spun it under LED lights, and hit upload. Hours later, comments blew up like, is this real life? And Sammy would approve. Let me tell you the rush when art meets passion. It's electric. What's your moment that made you scream, this is why we create?
I'm aimless and honest, feel weightless, I'm on it, 'cause I've waited and I want it, yeah, and no, I'm not playing around.
Hey, y'all, if you love fierce fashion and curvy queens strutting their stuff, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We've got more curves than a country road, and more style that your ex could handle. Don't just scroll, stick around and join the best glam fam on the internet.
I wanna be a king for a day, not a sheep for a decade. I'd rather play for keeps than a fair trade. I'd rather turn up the heat, screw a nice sage. I'm about to crank up the speed, call it upgrade. I hate it, I love